Tired of chasing down reviews? Let's automate your Trustpilot feedback collection directly from your Shopify Order Confirmation page. First, log into your Shopify admin panel. This is the control center of your store, where we'll make the magic happen. Next, navigate to Settings. It's located at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. Click on it. Now, within the Settings menu, find and click on Checkout. This section controls everything related to your customer's checkout experience. Scroll down until you see the Order Status page section. Inside this section, you'll find a text box labeled Additional Scripts. This is where we'll add the Trustpilot integration code. Now, go to Trustpilot's website and grab the Shopify integration code from their support pages. Copy the entire code snippet and paste it directly into the Additional Scripts box we just located. Make sure you've copied the correct code design for the Shopify Order Confirmation page integration. Finally, click the Save button, usually found at the top or bottom of the page, to save your changes, and that's it. Now, after every purchase, your customers will automatically see a Trustpilot invitation on the Order Confirmation page, leading to more reviews and a better online reputation.